Hi guys! So I kept this a secret for how long? Can you guess where we are? Can you guess where we are? Can you guess where we are? Look at Catalia. Tell them, Catalia.
No, you.
Oh,
You say it.
we are at the airport. In Germany, in Frankfurt. I have a big surprise for you guys. Don't say it, don't say it.
Yeah,
I have a visitor from Jamaica.
Yeah, but
It's a big surprise. I can't wait. The plane will land in 5 minutes.
First,
Okay.
we have to go to the toilet.
And how important is that for them to know?
And then we're going to McDonald's.
Okay. Yes. So the plane will land in 5 minutes. And then you'll see who the big surprise is. We're not gonna tell you. Frankfurt is so big, we got lost multiple times.
No, it's
Alright, so where's the toilet now? Surprise! My sister is here! Alright, how was the flight?
Nice.
Watch me going like a first meeting.
Hardly sleep, but
Why, you didn't nervous?
no man, me just can't sleep in a little space.
Yeah. Did you get a passage seat?
The other one day right outside me, so because no people don't come, so
It did empty.
no people come, but it's only got space easy.
Okay. Alright. You know the fun starts now. Sure, me want some cake. Please, when you go in there, carry your
Yeah,
cake.
kid, and then
Okay, alright. Me can't wait to go.
No, sir.
Alright, you're hungry?
No,
You want me to say?
yeah, tell us something, they're foreign. They're foreign,
Tell them how you feel in our cold the first time.
Not cold the first time.
You feel cold.
It didn't feel cold, but me didn't expect if you lick me and freeze me.
Eh?
Me didn't expect if you freeze me.
Same time.
Jesus, me can't manage, but it
Never
cold.
so cold.
Because it's not so cold like me that I expect. But it's cold. Hi guys.
And the message of my heart is full. It carries my heart is full.
I'm glad.
Alright, I'm send it to them now. This is Sherrod's first time going on a train. No, you never go on train at Jamaica, Sherrod? Okay. Hey, this is the turbo train. Sherrod. Alright. Your first foot I go touch my one train. So you go press the button there. Down there so? Alright, I go open it. No man. Then we check if then check. Woohoo! It won't by itself. Alright. Go on in, Sherrod. Touchdown. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry.
How long is it?
What's your name on TikTok?
On TikTok?
Take up your food and find the TikTok.
Put it on your feet. Sure. Sure. Come here. Sure.
How you feel, Cher?
How you feel?
How are you like?
Good.
Feel smooth,
You
not
feel
true?
normal. You like me driving a car. I'm in nice.
You feel like you're driving a car?
Smooth. It feels better than car. Smooth. It kind of... It's nice. Yeah, alright. You don't have to go through. It's alright. You know the Polish.
Coolish.
That's a Polish.
Go on now. Just press the button there. Upstairs. Go upstairs.
So we bring the dog, my sister dog, to drop off at a dog house where he might go stay for 1 week because we're gonna go Belgium. We're gonna go Belgium go by my next sister. The phone now works so good, but just a rundown at what we're doing. So, as me say, I dog house, them gone with the dog there. And tell us a phone slow like a coach can reach us already and then still not reach. I want one phone, but I can't afford one right now. So, as you know, my first time in Switzerland, and I'm trying to do a little video that when I go back home or when I can send my family and friends and also people me used to see this is a goat. The video definitely not work, but I'm gonna try to lock it off and start back again. Cause
I had to turn down the music because of copyright infringement issues, so we were dancing to some soca music on the 10-hour drive to Belgium. So guys, we decided to get this is the first time Moya is coming on the channel. Moya, say hi. She's having with chocolate. It's Charlotte. Charlotte is what kind of waffle, Moya?
Belgian waffle.
Belgian waffle, and that's the waffle chop. And that's David on the camera. Alright.
you look so pretty, mama.
Just tell me, me can just ménage this, ménage toi. Mix them. Okay. That's French. Mix. Tell ménage in French. Ménage toi. I am ménage toi in these. She's so much. Just scared. So you make me say that for? Because I miss up a chair them. Oh, I mean that also. Yeah. Okay. I am Mejani. Tell me again, Maya. Menage toi. Menage toi. Like Nicki Minaj? Okay. Menage toi. Oh, so she had three. So how do I mix it now with this? Should I mix it like this? So here we went out for dinner at a Senegalese restaurant or sports bar, but I had to turn the volume down because there was music playing in the background. So here I'm just introducing everybody. Moya, Sheret, Zurich, which is Moya's son, and Richmond, Moya's fiance, and David, I think I said. And while I was doing that, the server came with our appetizer, which were samosas, and it was a lot of us first time having samosas, so we were quite excited. Same issue here, music in the background. So we got some goat meat that was very delicious. Goat meat and plantain and onion. It was so tasty. We were using fork at first. Well, I was using the fork at first and I was like, hell no, this needs my hands. So I started eating them with the hands, and then we all started eating with hands. Okay. My sister met with breakfast. Good morning, darling. Good morning, love. This is our final day or morning in Brussels. I'm not happy, but I miss me dog too. And I want to see my dog. Eh? So we'll get fried eggs and bread. We'll miss you too.
European scrambled type.
European scrambled type egg. Brussels scrambled type egg.
Jamaican scrambled.
We have about 10-hour drive to do. And then we could. And see, Mama's sickness, yeah? She's sick, she don't feel good. Last night she jumped in her bed without clothes. Must think of Jamaica your day. Without clothes, then in start ball for you go. Alright, but you're gonna feel good soon, don't worry. Alright. Later, guys.